Hello friends, welcome to ledtvrepair. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications.
Hi friends, welcome to ledtvrepair. It's a 43-inch Full HD LED TV. In this TV the complaint is no display, due to backlight related fault. Here in this model the same LED as backlight strip is not available in market, so due to its unavailability here we installed alternate LED strip contains same number of LEDs. Here one LED strip contains total of 12 LEDs. Here you can notice that LED connector socket is different, so here we connected it by direct soldering. Also a small change in the position of LED, while fitting we need to remove the excess portion. Finally work is done, all LED is fitted properly. Now we can put the diffuser sheet and panel back to the TV. See, finally here we connected all sockets. This is the panel, it's a 43-inch Full HD Oro panel. Now work is done. While repairing with backlight related faults we should always try to replace entire backlight with new one to avoid future repetition in this same fault. Now let's turn on the TV and check the picture. See friends, now the TV is turned on. Here you can see now backlight comes and display is crystal clear. So that's it, now TV is repaired successfully. Hope you liked this video. See you in another video with another interesting topic. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching.